how to make a poll on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply make a poll on YouTube. Community or people can vote. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, you're going to go and tap on the Play Store if you're on Samsung or any other Android device, and get to the App Store if you're using an Apple device. You search for the YouTube application on it and make sure that it's updated. If it's not, just do it ASAP, because the new features won't be available on the previous versions. Hence, you won't be able to get that polling on YouTube if you don't have the right version of the YouTube. So just get onto the YouTube. Once you tap on the YouTube application and it opens up, so first thing what you're gonna do is, on your mobile phone, to start the polling is tap on the plus or create a post icon that is at the bottom of the screen in the middle. So once you tap on that, a dialog box appears down from below that suggests you four things: create a shot, upload a video, go live, create a post. So you're gonna go and tap on create a post, that is the last option. So once your create a post or create post page has been opened up, so it's just that share a behind the scenes photo or any sort of thing like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go and look for a polling icon that is at the left side of the screen in the middle if you have the keyboard on, and like bottom left corner if you don't have that keyboard with you. So once you tap on it, here it is, it says ask your community. So I'm going to simply ask the community one question, and that would be anything you like to ask for the polling. Now I'm done with the options. Now to post it, I'll simply tap on post, that is at the top right corner of the screen, and once that happens, the polling would instantly be made on the YouTube, and while it is being made public, so anybody can view it. So you can also schedule it or schedule it according to you whenever you want to make it happen. So this is how you do it. This is how you make a poll on YouTube. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to give it up a thumbs up and click on that bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. And if you have any query or question regarding the video, just comment down below. I would love to answer. Till next time, peace.